Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Michelle. If you clicked on this video, then why not subscribe? I promise you it's the whole vibe. If you rock with me, then I rock with you, which means we locked in for life, and that's on period. In today's video, I have my baby girl here with me, Lyric, once again back on the channel. Today we are going to be doing a wall makeover. The theme that I'm going for is like an aesthetic look, and if you're not too familiar with an aesthetic look, basically something that's very beautiful and pleasing and satisfying to look at. Kind of just wanted to revamp my room because it needs a little fixing, it needs a little love, it needs a little uplifting. Like I told you guys in my last vlog, I didn't have any idea what I really wanted to do. I was just gonna buy stuff and just throw stuff on the wall. Before I show you guys everything I got, make sure you guys like this video, subscribe, turn your post notifications on, follow me on all my social medias, follow me on my couples channel. Y'all already know the vibe. So the first thing that I got was the Vine curtain lights. I got those at Big Lots. These are easy peasy because they already have the lights connected, so I don't have to do both. Then I have these two tier hanging wall shelves, and I'm excited to put these up. I don't really know how it's gonna go, but we're gonna just finesse this because I got my baby here. She's creative, so two brains is better than one. I ordered these cool photo art like cards. They're a little thicker than index cards. They have a whole bunch of different sayings on it, so we're just gonna plaster those on there. You guys just gotta watch the whole video to see how it's gonna go. I also bought these inspirational wall sayings, but I don't think I'm gonna put it on this wall. I may put it where my bed is at, only because I feel like the color might not go, or it might clash. Also got this really dope picture that is fire. I just love this. No, I'm not a stoner. I just feel like this is just such a vibe. I'm not gonna show you guys everything. I'm just gonna play music and just let you guys just see everything that's going on because we don't want to just keep talking. If you guys are excited to see how this wall, this blank wall is gonna be turned into a aesthetic wall, then you guys want to keep on watching, enjoy, and like this video. So the first step is completed. We had to literally take 50 wall photos and tape them. So now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna like arrange them on the wall to our liking. We even have the hammer because we have to nail the
we're taping.
No, we can't. We have to nail too. Your lashes is popping today. You said you got this.
I do. We could just,
What does that mean?
finesse.
Want some?
Ew, ew.
Okay, so
Progress.
now we are going to figure out what we're going to do with these shelves. I don't know if I really want to do the shelves at this point. I feel like this alone is just giving me what I'm looking for, but I did spend money, so I do want to put it to use. Of course, we have the Vine, so
And we have stuff to put on the shelves. I don't even know.
we got to figure out where we're going to hang the shelves. That's the thing.
Andy's coming.
I broke my elbow.
Remember that trend when I used to go like this?
And just throw your head back? Yeah, go ahead and whip your neck if you want to. Got the shelves up. We doing big things. It's coming together. I'm feeling real calm right now.
We have the main thing that's gonna be a struggle though.
The main thing is the lights.
The lines first. For my wrist. Look, there's a lump.
Girl, that's your bone. Drum roll, please. This is the final look. I'm gonna show you guys in slow motion, but I don't feel like I completely finished everything. Truth be told, we a little bit tired, so we don't finish it off. And I do want to get some more things to put like on the shelves, but for the most part, I think it came out really good. I'm missing batteries, so I can't really show you guys like how it looks with the lights off, so I gotta get some AA batteries. But this was really nice. It was really fun. I like how my room turned out. Now all I want to do is just change my linens and like get a different comforter and possibly get a couch right here or something. I don't know.
That'd be so nice because there's so much space.
Right, either a couch or probably like an egg chair. I feel like that would be ideal, but I'll probably wait to do that when I get a whole house. If you guys enjoyed, if you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down some more, if you guys have some suggestions you have, maybe I can twist it up or add some things or whatever. Feel free to comment that down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, follow your girl, turn your noties on, and without further ado, I'm out of here.
Peace.